Thank you for joining us on this episode of WaterWise. My name is Jason Homan and I'm the General Manager here at WCID number 17. In this edition of WaterWise, we'll be discussing wastewater averaging, what it is, how it works, and how you can take advantage of it. Wastewater averaging is a method used by water utilities like WCID number 17 to calculate your average monthly household water consumption during our winter months. This average is then used to determine your wastewater charges for the next 12 months of the year. You may ask, why winter? Well, it comes down to how we measure the amount of wastewater your home produces. Due to the nature of wastewater, we can't measure it with a meter like we do with your water supply. Because of this, we choose the winter months when outdoor irrigation is not required in order to measure the average amount of water flowing down your home's drains and into our wastewater system. Since most lawns go dormant in the colder months, it makes it an ideal time to reduce outdoor water use. It's also when customers typically use less water overall. Each April, your wastewater rate is adjusted based on this average calculated from November through February. The average usage over these 3 months becomes the basis of your wastewater charge for the entire year. By conserving water during this period, especially by turning off outdoor irrigation systems, you can lower your wastewater average, which means a lower monthly bill for the rest of the year. The exception is commercial customers who do not receive a wastewater average. Their rate is based on actual usage. Now let's take a moment and look at your bill. When you look at it, you will see something listed as WW volume. This is the wastewater average that we've been discussing. Again, the less water you use during your winter months will lower your charge throughout the year. Next, you will see a charge listed as SW base charge. This is our sewer base charge. It is a fixed charge based on your service area and does not vary with water usage throughout the year. This is the charge that is designed to pay for the plant to be in operation and ready to receive your wastewater regardless of the amount of volume you produce in your home. Please note, wastewater systems serve smaller populations than do potable water systems that serve all water customers. Wastewater systems are more expensive to operate and maintain. The wastewater itself is also more expensive to collect, transport, and treat, which means that the base charge for wastewater will usually be higher than the potable water charge for most utilities. The good news is that by understanding and taking advantage of wastewater averaging, you can lower your bill throughout the year. Thank you for joining us on this episode of WaterWise, and we hope you found today's information helpful. We look forward to seeing you in our next episode, but until then, remember to conserve today so that we can all preserve tomorrow. Thanks.